This is so sexy, I'd buy it flowers on Valentine's Day.
Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
That's awesome. Look at that. It's going wild out there, eh?
Yeah. That's a great hood decal. Let's put it right on the hood.
I thought it was a windshield decal.
Right in front of the driver?
Be a decal holder.
I've been training for this my whole life. Tighter. I've been training for this ever since I started watching Vanna White on The Wheel of Fortune. Thought I could hold things and turn stuff around while my legs were visible. But this is a family program, so I have pants on.
I go like an inch back from this flat line right here.
Okay, I'm gonna burn you out. I got a little ball out. Nailed that one.
Oh yeah.
Done all we can for this little Gladiator. It now needs to find its forever home. We've taught it all we can. We've bolted on as many parts as we could find. So now it's just up for the new owners to enjoy it to its full potential and put lots of gas in it quite often. This is so sexy, I'd buy it flowers on Valentine's Day.
You'd buy it flowers.
Oh, yeah. Wow, just wow. It's a thing of beauty, honestly. If they weren't so expensive, I'd make a coffee table out of it.
I don't even know what that means.
I know. We decided to do all custom graphics on it. We've came up with the ideas, what we wanted to put on here. So we did the Rubicon badge with a little bit of a demon flair to it in a dark metallic blood red outline. You'll see inside it, it's etched and shows 840 horsepower. We've got the nice extra large metal demon head badges from America's Most Wanted. They are a lot larger than the Challenger badges. And then back here, we thought we'd add a little touch that's very subtle. Is an oversized demon head on the back in satin black to really go back and forth between the gloss black. Also, we had a sporty tire carrier built for this, mounted into the bed, holding up the 38-inch tire. Now, you can't see out the back window, but it looks really cool to everybody else. It's got a lot more of a race feel. Also, we upgraded the headlights. We'll walk over here. We've got the America's Most Wanted 8-lug Demon headlights. So they have the red accent inside. They're etched with the Demon logo in them. We do have the 8-lug package in. It is a Dana 6080 combo with 48 gears. This thing hauls ass, scares children. Your mom can't control herself when I take her for rides in this truck. She's uncontrollable. Pretty much have to put a seat cover on. So
Seat cover's optional.
we modified and put on a set of factory Extreme Rubicon fender extensions just to keep us a little bit more legal here in Canada. I know most places don't have a problem with this. Around here, you get in trouble for cool shit. Just the way it is. All in all, this is a beautiful rig that will eventually find a really nice home and hopefully utilize very well. This is just the beginning. Well, Fluffy was technically the beginning, but this is the only one that doesn't already have an owner. So this is already the 5th one we've done. This is the one that's up for sale now. We're finishing a 426 JL conversion, which got sold before it even got down off the hoist. And we have a couple 392s in the pipeline. And then, so we will be doing conversions for late model Jeep Gladiators and JLs to customers to qualify. And we'll be doing a lot more turnkey builds that you'll be able to see at White Rock Dodge and on all the channels.
Looking for an epic Jeep? Give us a call.
Hey guys, Sean here from The Story Till Now. As you guys know, Epic Adventure Outfitters is one of the biggest supporters of our whole adventure crew. Me, Casey, and Teddy all get our crazy stuff like Hemi swaps and lift kits, everything done here. Everything that Epic carries is top end and it's all tested by the Ginger and his crew. This includes the Epic Kraken air inflation system, things like trailhead deflators, metal cloak and Rebel off-road parts, Epic swag, and more. All of this is available on the new Epic online store at epic-4wd.com. We ship all over Canada and the United States. And if you click on the link in the description, it actually helps support my channel and my adventures, which I appreciate. Check it out, guys.